Hi friends, Christine asked me to make up a quick tutorial on how to use Google Sites, the new one. So here it goes. I'm not as good at this as she is. You'll find Google Sites under New and go down to More, Google Sites. And you can also find it in the Sites Classic page and click the New button, but this is easier. And it just gives you a website right here. You can change your title to whatever it is. 311. You can change your image. They've got a lot of standard ones, or you can search just like any other Google Doc. That. And it automatically adjusts for readability there. Since the new Google Sites are in beta, there are still quite a few features that are not as advanced as we might want. But it's a great start and super easy. So if you're going to add some text, you just click on text and type something in, and you can change it from normal to something more bold, and you can also use a background color there. As far as themes and colors, you can go into the themes here, and it's pretty limited. There's what they call simple, Aristotle that has this little line under it, or Diplomat that has this little box, and only a few theme colors here. So they pretty much are controlling what they think would look good. Anyway, so from the insert menu, you can add any of these Google Drive things here. One of the cool features is if you want to add a Drive folder, you can see everything in that folder there. Any of your resources from Google Drive and what you've just been working on would be in there. So you can search anything in your drive and add it. So I don't even know what's in here. So say I want to put my back to school night presentation in there. So here's a Google Slides, and to resize it, super simple there, and to make it, more full screen, that type of thing. What's over here? Oh, cool. Auto start, loop playback, delay time. So yeah, I could have it automatically play, get rid of something. There's a trash can. You can change the background in a certain section so it just has a little emphasis, or add an image or that color background. If you want to add a new page, you just come over to Pages. There's your new page. Say you're going to put a calendar in for a website. Done. And you see right here, it's added another section for the page right here. On that page, again, you can change your header to whatever it's going to be, change the look of the header as far as change the image. If you want this page to be a sub-page of another page, this is what Christine helped me figure out, is you just drag it underneath it, and now it's underneath. It's a drop-down menu. You can also choose to go to side navigation. So now it would be that type of underneath here, or back to top navigation here. And you can change the layout, the numbering of any of the pages, how they lay out there. If I was going to add a calendar there, you could just choose whichever calendar you're going to use. So I'm going to use my classroom calendar, add it in there. And again, I can drag it out. I probably want a month calendar. So what I'm going to do is go to the gear, and I want it to view as a month. And done. My dog's eating a piece of paper over here. I've got to keep getting it away. Stop that. Okay, so whenever you're done, or when you want to publish it, right now, it's only private to me. I can add other people to edit it by going here under Add Editors. And then when I want to publish it so it's visible, it can either be visible to just people in our domain, San Marcos Unified, or anyone on the web, making it public. This would allow it to appear in search results, like if somebody Google searched for it. And then you also have to give it a name. So if this is going to be, Room 311 newsletter or something like that. Okay, and if that hasn't been taken by somebody else, then you're good to go. And you would just hit publish. I'm not, because it's just a practice one. Then each time you make a change after you've published it, you'll hit publish again, because it won't go live, the changes, until you actually publish it. So that way you can edit things and decide. You also want to give your site a name. So that's basically the new Google Sites. I'm sure there'll be more features coming down in the coming weeks. Good luck. Have a great year.